And I'm not saying anything is gonna happen anytime soon, but you never know. It could. Yesterday, the past few days kind of put that into perspective for me, so that's why we just did this little stock up. I will talk to you guys later. We gotta head home now and get this all put away. I will talk to you later. Bye. It's been like a family Friday night grocery shop, right? Bagels? I want these, but Carl said no.
No.
These are so good. Pistachio. They have it. Do we need it?
No.
I have 4 pistachio ice creams at home. Onion. I'm making that sausage, potato, and onion dish probably tomorrow, so I need to get a whole bunch of like big potatoes. Russet, red, or yellow? I'm gonna go yellow because these look really good. A whole bunch of yellow potatoes. If you were a vegetable, what vegetable would you be? Because I'd be a potato.
I don't know. There's a lot of vegetables out there.
He's gonna think about it. So we've got all the colored peppers, and then for some reason there's always these red ones that are always cheaper, and in my opinion they're better. They're sweeter. Pears for Carl. Oh. Avocados. If I get it, are you gonna actually eat it?
Yeah. Big roll.
I normally get these, but these look like a nice little snack. I mean, realistically, more is always better, but snack. I'm gonna get 2 of those. Maybe just like 1 more for good measure. Yep. They have them. Oh, so bad, but so good. I grew up eating those pizzas. You couldn't tell we're doing a little bit of a stock up, you know, ahead of events that could occur any day now. These are good. English muffins. Yep, I know. She still loves it. I'm always buying honey. We go through so much of it. Oh, that actually reminds me we're out of breadcrumb. These look interesting. I've never seen these. They come with the bun. I think we're gonna try them. Some sauce for my chicken nuggets. Actually, this would be the side where the sauces are. Because we got taquitos, we need to get some of this for dipping. Okay, this is more like just dressings. I don't know where the sauces are. Yep. We are completely out of eggs. 2 packs of eggs. Carl requested pepper jack. Ooh, y'all know I love this one. Also, we'll get a Vermont cream cheese. Oh, they got the good creamer. I already have some at home though. Chocolate milk. Okay, and we're gonna have to start putting stuff under here. I'm craving cocktail sauce, but like with my chicken nuggets. Now we gotta pick out some crackers on the way out because we just got all that cheese. Alright, Carl wants these. We'll get these.
Maybe get a butter.
And then some original grits. Okay, and this is really good.
Getting mine.
Whoa. We don't need it. You were so good, honey. A lot more than we normally get. She really wanted to play with the crackers. What are you playing with the crackers? Oh, all done. Listen, I know it's a lot more than we normally get. And I'm not saying anything is gonna happen anytime soon, but you never know. It could. Yesterday, the past few days kind of put that into perspective for me, so that's why we just did this little stock up. I will talk to you guys later. We gotta head home now and get this all put away. I will talk to you later. Bye.